Hello, good day. My name is Rene Ben Espirijon. I live in Barangay Bulok, Maasin, Iloilo. I'm single, but I have one child.
In your past experience, how many helpers in your employer's house?
We have two employers in my house.
Do you like babies?
Yes, ma'am.
How about children?
I like to, ma'am, because I have my own child, my nieces, and also I have children.
What have been your specific duties sa gardener in the past?
Since I, since I started working as a gardener, I have been involved in digging, planting, mulching, and watering and digging. Additionally, I have prepared cultivated soil, prepared beds, and ensure plant safety by actively spraying pesticides on them.
What specific tools and equipment have you used to help in your gardening work?
I can both operate manual, motorized lawnmowers, leaf blowers, trimmers, alongside with using shovels and picks.
What is your message to your future employer?
My message to my future employers: if you should hire me, I will do my best because I have already experience in planting, gardening. Uh, Thank you.